So this is a thing. Yeah, it's now officially available for pre-order. And the price tag is a lot better than I thought. $12.99. So I was thinking it was gonna be like $14.99 because that was like the rumor. No, $12.99. Now this is the model without the glasses. This is just the actual device. Which I think I love X-Real. Okay, I've covered them many times on this channel. They're amazing products. They're amazing everything. Just not my like. Just not the average person's cup of tea. That's what I'll say. Nonetheless, though, this is a very, very awesome device because the ROG Xbox Ally X is already a great device. And it's that device, but with an OLED screen that is 7.4 inches. Internally is exactly the same exact device. There's nothing different. The only difference internally is that the micro SD card now is faster and you can actually have better micro SD cards. Hall effect joysticks, which I don't know why wasn't on the first one, to be honest. Um, but yeah, I mean, again, it's a very, very awesome device, but it just makes the whole, if you want to buy one, just get the original because now it's going to be cheaper. And this is the beautiful thing about next gen coming out, like the next generation of devices, is that the previous generation of devices get a lot cheaper. Now, the triggers are also different. There's a lot of differences cosmetically and on the surface. Obviously, the body looks different. Yes. There's a green little Xbox logo here now. Before it was just nothing. It was just an Xbox logo. Obviously, these colors are different as well. And yeah, just wow. It's still amazing. I still think it looks amazing and it probably feels amazing, but you probably just better off getting the original and just getting it for a lot less money. Get a SD card or not an SD card. Get a M.2 card. M.2 card. M.2 and upgrade it up to like maybe 2 terabytes. Maybe get a micro SD card that's up to 2 terabytes. Like there's so many things you could spend the extra money for. Right now on eBay, you can get the original one for around like $750, $800, which is $250 to $250 off MSRP. I would probably just go that route because this is $1,300 and it's going to sell out. And then by the time you're able to pick it up, you're going to be paying scalpers prices. So probably just go with that. It's the same amount of gigabytes of RAM. It's going to be the same 1 terabyte version. Same RAM speed, same RAM amount. I would just go with that. Is it an upgrade? Absolutely. Is it worth going for over the original because of the price tag and how much you save and how much you can spend that money elsewhere? Probably not. You could just use that, elsewhere to spend the actual money. So, little key differences in case you're wondering is that the display is 7.4 inches versus 7 inches. Also, it has 1400 nits of peak brightness with 120 hertz VRR display. Both devices share the same AMD Ryzen A1Z2 Extreme processor. Keep in mind, it also does have an NPU, which is what the original had as well. That's what the AI in the AI Z2 Extreme is. It's a NPU that actually takes AI processes on your computer and has a dedicated area to actually make them work. Where, like, for example, the Legion Go 2 does not have the AI. 24 gigabytes of RAM, which is the same for both ones. The X20 introduces drift resistance TMR joysticks and a versatile 4-way/8-way convertible D-pad, plus illuminates Xbox buttons, which you guys saw. The X20 upgrades to a micro SD express slot for faster loading and DisplayPort 2.1. The X20 features a translucent black chassis with gold accents for ROG's 20th anniversary and rubberized grips, weighing slightly more at roughly 750 grams compared to the original 715. Obviously, price tag is what it is as well, which MSRPs for $300 more. Again, it's not as bad as I thought price tag would be. I thought it would be $14.99. It's a great device because the original was a great device. And that just takes the original and makes it better. It depends on what you what you want to do personally. Do you want to go ahead and spend the extra extra $300, or again, with scalpers, let's be honest, the extra $600 for it, or just get the old one for cheaper, and you're gonna be plenty happy. I promise you. I have the original Xbox Ally. I have it on Xbox ROG Xbox Ally X on the channel. I have a video of it comparing it to Legion Go 2's Z2 version. It is amazing. It really is. It's one of the best, if not the best, handheld gaming PC on the market. I recommend just getting the original. But if you have the money and you have the money to spend and you're like, it's burning a hole in my pocket and I need to get rid of it, this is going to be an amazing device. It is. It's just going to cost a little bit more. See you guys next one, though.